हाय वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ज़हरा टेक। आज की इस वीडियो के अंदर हम बात करेंगे हाउ टू स्टार्ट मेकिंग मनी ऑनलाइन विद गूगल एडसेंस। ठीक है, तो आप लोग किस तरह से ऑनलाइन अर्निंग कर सकते हैं गूगल एडसेंस के थ्रू। तो अगर आप लोग चैनल के ऊपर फर्स्ट टाइम आए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल नोटिफिकेशन को प्रेस कर दें। स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो को। Using Google AdSense to monetize your website or app traffic with display ads is one of the simplest and most effective monetization methods. However, although it's a relatively simple concept, you need to understand some specifics for success. In this article, we would like to show you how to start making money with Google AdSense. Keep in mind that we will only be focusing on AdSense and optimizing your ads. We are not going to discuss creating a website that generates traffic. To effectively use this guide, you will already need a website that's generating traffic, or you should be busy building one. What is Google AdSense and how does it work? AdSense is an ad network that connects publishers and advertisers. Publishers connect their websites to the ad network, thereby allowing advertisers to bid for displaying their ads on those websites. If a website visitor clicks or views an ad, the publisher gets paid a specific portion of the advertiser's bid for the ad. Google takes the difference as the fee. How big is Google AdSense? Google AdSense is a large and widely used advertising platform that allows websites to display ads and earn revenue through the Google AdSense program. According to Google, AdSense is used by millions of websites and has delivered billions of ad impressions to users around the world. AdSense is part of the Google Advertising Network, which is one of the largest and most widely used advertising networks in the world. The Google Advertising Network includes a variety of products and services, including AdWords, AdMob, and DoubleClick, which allow advertisers to reach users on a variety of platforms, including the Google search engine, Google Maps, and other websites and apps. Overall, Google AdSense is a significant player in the online advertising industry with a large and diverse network of publishers and advertisers. It is an important source of revenue for many websites and continues to be a popular choice for advertisers looking to reach a wide audience. Benefits of using Google AdSense: easy to use. Google AdSense is easy to use and requires minimal setup. Publishers simply need to sign up for an account and the AdSense code to their website and choose the types of ads they want to display. Wide range of ad format. Google AdSense offers a wide range of ad formats including text, display, video, and mobile ads, which allows publishers to choose the ad format that best fits for their needs. Customization options. Publishers can customize the appearance of their ads to match the look and feel of their website, making the ads more seamless and less intrusive for users. Comprehensive reporting. Google AdSense provides comprehensive reporting tools that allow publishers to track the performance of their ads and make data-driven decisions about their ad campaigns. Global reach. Google AdSense has a global reach with advertisers from around the world using the platform to reach a wide audience. This can help publishers monetize their traffic and earn more revenue. Multiple payment options. Multiple payment options. Google AdSense offer multiple payment options, including electronic bank transfer, check, and wire transfer, making it easy for publishers to receive their earning. Overall, Google AdSense is a valuable tool for publishers looking to monetize their website traffic and earn revenue from their content. How to apply for an AdSense account? What do you need? Google is very particular about who they allow into in their ad network. They want to keep the quality of websites high and maintain the integrity of their ad network. There are some basic requirements every publisher needs to adhere to. You need to be 18 years old, have an active Gmail account that's not linked to an AdSense account, have a website that meets all of Google's terms of service. You need to comply with Google program policies, but also recommend a few additional requirements to ensure you get accepted. This include having a website with at least 30 pages of यूनिक कंटेंट। क्या तो ये थी आज की वीडियो जिसके अंदर हमने बात की आप लोगों के साथ गूगल एडसेंस से अर्निंग करने की। तो अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें। आप लोगों से मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर। हमें इजाज़त दीजिए, अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, टेक केयर।